After Hurricane Milton struck in September 2024, Seacoast Building and Design was awarded a 6-story TPO re-roofing project for the Town Shores of Gulfport, Florida community. The community emphasized the urgency of starting and completing the job quickly to prevent further leaks and ease residents' concerns about the upcoming rainy season. To ensure a seamless build, Seacoast coordinated the roofing work with the HVAC work. We reviewed all safety precautions while addressing various challenges, such as hoisting 24 AC units on a roof stands, installing larger roof hatches, and working in heavy winds. Notably, Seacoast commenced the work in early April 2025 and completed all the roofs before the end of that month. For this project, we installed a TPO single-ply membrane, renowned for its exceptional durability. This gives business owners the peace of mind they seek when replacing their roofs. The TPO membrane comes in 45 mil or 60 mil thicknesses. We use the 60 mil option. TPO roofing systems are a popular choice for commercial buildings in Florida due to their highly reflective white surface, which helps reduce energy costs by deflecting solar radiation and minimizing heat absorption. TPO is a UV-resistant and flexible material, making it well-suited for expansion and contraction. These TPO properties make an ideal choice for Florida's extremely hot temperature fluctuations, as it can prevent cracking and other damage. Our TPO roofing installation comes with a premium 20-year labor and material warranty, ensuring that the business owner will not be responsible for any associated expenses if any issues arise. As a business owner, you may have faced the challenge of getting your roof repaired or replaced within a tight timeline. At Seacoast Building and Design, we understand the importance of meeting critical deadlines for our clients. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.